How thankful are we to be together on this Tuesday night with nothing going on in the world, and all we can do is talk about All About Android. Like, it's a great life. Yeah.
The most important news today is definitely Android news, and that's why All About Android doesn't stop. Not for November 3rd, 2020.
Previously on TWiT. This week in Enterprise Tech.
Are you ready for disaster recovery? Well, the pandemic period has put us on high alert, and we'll take you through 9 cyber disaster recovery planning tips to help you out.
Hands-on iOS.
I am going to show you Apple's new subscription bundle service. It's Apple One. Here's how you get it.
Hands-on Android.
Coming up, I'm going to show you how to take an old device that's gathering dust and turn it into a home automation control center.
This week in Google.
The Ring Video doorbells, they're going to pilot a program in Jackson, Mississippi with the local police to live stream Amazon's Ring cameras.
Not all about the people that actually own Ring, though, you know?
What if I get murdered in my house and you don't discover the body? You would still like to see who came and went, right?
Yeah.
I just want you to know it'll almost certainly be my wife.
TWiT.
And she's got a very credible excuse.
He had it coming.
He just wouldn't stop talking.